Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best liquid floor wax is probably one of the most sought-after products for homeowners and businesses alike, promising a gleaming shine and a protective layer against everyday wear and tear. But with so many brands and formulas available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll cut through the noise and explore the top contenders, examining their ease of application, durability, and overall effectiveness in enhancing the beauty of your floors, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific flooring type and needs. Number 5. Clark Stone Wax. This amazing wax protects your stone and concrete surfaces. It's made with natural ingredients and is easy to apply. It creates a non-greasy barrier that helps protect against stains and spills. Ideal for soapstone, slate, concrete, and butcher block countertops. It's made with beeswax, carnauba wax, mineral oil, and citrus oils. This makes it safe for food surfaces, too. Simply rub it on, let it absorb, and buff off any excess. It's that simple. It provides ample coverage on large surfaces. Use it on butcher blocks, concrete, and soapstone. Our customer care team is here to help. We want you to have a great experience with our product. What we like? This wax creates a protective barrier for your countertops, keeping them safe from spills and stains. It's also made with natural ingredients, so it's safe for food preparation surfaces. If you're looking for a natural and protective wax for your kitchen countertops or cutting boards, this is the one for you. What people say? It's soaked in better than I expected and left a polished, smooth finish. Lasts about 2 to 3 months, is easy to apply. This did it after only one application. I also have a section in my other bathroom that is marble. We'll try that next. Number 4. Lundmark Super Gloss Acrylic Wax. This floor wax provides an extra heavy-duty hard finish for long-lasting shine. It's perfect for adding protection and beauty to your floors. It delivers a brilliant, glossy finish that enhances the look of your floors. This wax also helps protect against scratches and scuffs. This is no ordinary wax, it's formulated for extra durability and resilience. It stands up to heavy foot traffic and daily wear and tear. It's suitable for a wide variety of flooring materials. This includes resilient linoleum, vinyl, asphalt, asbestos, laminate, and luxury vinyl tile. Application is simple and straightforward, leaving you with a beautiful, long-lasting shine. Enjoy your sparkling floors for weeks to come. This convenient 32-ounce bottle provides ample coverage for your flooring needs. It's the perfect size for both small and large areas. What we like? This wax offers an extra heavy-duty, super glossy finish that is perfect for high-traffic areas. It provides superior protection for your floors and will keep them looking their best for longer. If you need a durable and long-lasting floor wax for high-traffic areas, this is the one to choose. What people say? Great shine and excellent coverage. Made my laminate floors look brand new. The Lundmark product resulted in a glossy floor without it being slippery, the perfect combination for the guest bathroom. Not only did this wax give the floor a nice sheen like you would find in the marble lobby of a commercial building, but the liquid wax filled in the areas between the floor tiles and helped make it look like one continuous polished stone surface. Number 3. Clean-eez Ultimate Floor Restorer. It uses an advanced formula to protect your floors from damage and restore their natural beauty. You'll be amazed by the brilliant shine it delivers. Say goodbye to dull floors. Its high-gloss polymers create a luminous finish, transforming dull surfaces into stunning showcases. Application is quick and easy. It effortlessly conceals imperfections like scratches, leaving no sticky residue. You'll rediscover the original beauty of your floors. It glides smoothly and evenly, ensuring a streak-free finish. The microfiber applicator makes application simple and efficient. It's proudly made and shipped in the USA. It breathes new life into your flooring, making it look better than ever before. It works on linoleum, hardwood, laminate, and more. It revitalizes your floors, leaving them looking their best. What we like? This floor restorer doesn't just clean, it revitalizes your floors, restoring their natural beauty and shine. It even conceals minor imperfections, leaving a flawless finish. If you want to restore the beauty of your older floors, this is the product for you. What people say. Easy to apply. Makes your floors look like new. The product was easy to apply and has brought a wonderful sheen to our laminate floor. Cleaned the floor, removed years of dirt, and now the floor shines beautifully. Number 2. FILA Matte Liquid Wax. This matte liquid wax protects your natural stone, quarry tile, and terracotta surfaces. It provides a durable, low-sheen finish that enhances the natural beauty of your floors. It creates a long-lasting, natural look. It's the perfect finishing coat over any water-based or solvent-based sealer. This wax helps prevent dust and stains from settling on your stone and terracotta, keeping your floors looking cleaner for longer. For a satin finish, simply polish the treated surface after application. Achieve the perfect look with ease. FILA products are trusted worldwide by professionals and recommended by over 200 stone and tile manufacturers. It's the effective solution for your surface care needs. Used in prestigious architectural projects globally, you can trust it to deliver exceptional results. Experience the FILA difference. What we like. This matte wax provides a durable, low-sheen finish that enhances the natural beauty of your stone or terracotta floors. It prevents dust and staining, maintaining the look of your floors for longer. If you prefer a natural, low-gloss look for your stone floors, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Provides a beautiful satin finish. Goes on well, smell is fine and dries quickly. I am very pleased with outcome. Number 1. Pro Shine Floor Finish Wax. Get ready for a radiant shine that lasts. This professional grade wax is designed for a long-lasting, high-gloss finish with minimal effort. It's formulated for superior coverage and maximum durability. This means lasting protection against dirt, scuffs, and scratches. Applying it is a breeze. Use a mop or applicator pad. It dries quickly without any need for buffing or scrubbing. It's safe for various floor types, including vinyl, tile, laminate, and linoleum. Give all your floors a beautiful shine. Enjoy the beauty of your floors without constant maintenance. It provides long-lasting protection against dirt and wear and tear, keeping your floors looking their best. Upgrade your floors with Pro Shine. Experience the difference of a professional-grade floor finish that's easy to use and delivers exceptional results. What we like. Get a long-lasting, high-gloss shine with minimal effort using this commercial-grade wax. Its high solids formula provides superior coverage and durability. If you want a professional-looking shine that lasts, this is the wax for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.